Hi everyone, welcome to Maple Bear Town Square. Come on in, I'm going to show you around. Maple Bear is part of a global network. At the moment, we have about 600 plus schools worldwide in 40 plus different countries. This is the reception area where we will be welcoming you. We follow a proprietary curriculum which has been ranked top 3 by KHDA. Our curriculum is unit-based and is focused on the Maple Bear 8. This is our largest indoor play area where our little ones come to develop their gross motor skills. Here in the Maple Bear classroom, we focus on the individual child. The classrooms are all set up with multiple learning centers which are based on the children's needs. We do not believe in whole group learning. So that was just one of our classrooms. We have a total of 4 classrooms in our senior wing. Now let's head to our junior wing. We have 6 classrooms on this side. This is our role play room, including our much-loved Chinook's Diner. We also have a soft play specifically for the under 2s. We have a fully equipped clinic and a full-time nurse on the facility as well. We have 2 outdoor areas where children can play and explore safely. And this brings us to the end of our tour. Please feel free to contact us if you have any more questions.